1, 2, 3, 4.
So the movers have left, and also I just got my fridge dropped off. Also I got a matcha because I needed to pick me up because I was like rotting away in bed. I was so tired after moving. Even though I did no manual labor at all, I had movers. I literally didn't do shit. It was still exhausting, like the energy, you know, was still drained out of me. And this matcha, actually good. Is it the best? No, but out of all the matchas I've had in LA, it's pretty good. For white people matcha, pretty good. I think it's because I had it sweetened with vanilla. The sweetener element of matcha is like the main factor. I don't know why, but all these places, they put like the tiniest amount of matcha, or their matcha just ain't cut it. I don't know, it's always super light. I make my matcha strong. I make my matcha like a matcha milk tea, that's how I make it. So far, I have not met any of my neighbors, so we'll see how that goes. I do have upstairs neighbors, so I wonder how that's gonna go with the walking. But this apartment is beautiful. Some almond butter banana toast with some cinnamon and honey. This has been my daily breakfast. I go through phases when it comes to breakfast where I just like cook the same thing every day. Last year around this time, it was avocado toast and eggs. Like I had that every day for months. Also a glass of water because I'm trying really hard to drink enough water every day and stay hydrated. I heard that drinking coffee or matcha or any type of caffeine right away in the morning is really bad for you. You're supposed to drink water, eat some food, get in your system first, and then you can drink coffee or matcha. So that's kind of the process I've been following, and I think it's been really helping me feel good, especially when it comes to exhaustion. So I've been trying to get enough sleep every day, but I've noticed that I'm always still tired even if I get enough sleep. So I've been incorporating stretching in the morning, drinking water, and then having my caffeine. You know, I've been trying to just like do things slowly to see if it helps me stay more awake, and I think it's actually genuinely been helping. I never understood why my body would still be tired even if I got like 9 hours of sleep, but it's because there's other elements to being tired that isn't just not getting enough sleep. I'm in my new apartment, by the way. I'm living alone for the first time. So far, it's been all right, honestly. Sort of just feels the same, because in my last apartment, I did have a roommate, but I rarely would ever see her because she's always out, she's working, and I work from home, so I would just be home a lot. So it kind of already felt like I lived alone. I was like living my everyday life alone. So it doesn't feel much different now. The only thing is the moving process was a little bit more stressful because I had to do it all on my own. I hired movers, so it was a bit easier, but still nonetheless very draining. And I had to set up like the electricity and Wi-Fi and do all those calls and things. Because last time my roommate did everything because she moved in before me, so she set everything up. But this time around I gotta do it myself. Also low-key, I need to get a weapon. Then again, I think my neighborhood is really safe because I don't live in central LA or anything. The thing I will say about this new apartment though is the noise pollution. There's like a lot of outside noise. Also I have upstairs neighbors, so I can hear when they walk around and talk sometimes, which I'm getting used to, but that is obviously not ideal, especially when I have to film and record. I don't plan on like living here for a very long time, so it's fine. The moving process has been a bit slow. I've been moved in for almost 3 weeks now, and I'm just finally starting to settle in and organize everything. Now I can actually like walk around without stepping around boxes. There's definitely a corner over there where my desk is where I just shoved all the extra boxes and items that I don't know where to put yet. So eventually I'm gonna have to face that corner there.
잘 봐요. 밖이 유난히 하얗네요.
It is 3 a.m. I ended up getting home really late and I planned to go to the gym today. I'm trying to be disciplined, so I committed and was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym at like fucking midnight. That is why it is very late. And this has been a thing this past week. I've been staying up really late and then waking up late. But it was a very good workout, surprisingly, even though it was so late. And lately, because I've been working out late and driving home late, the highlights of my days has been when I get to drive home from the gym late at night. I get to roll down my windows, blast my music, and I feel like the satisfaction after working out from the gym. And then the roads are just completely empty. It's just a really great feeling. It's very comforting. It reminds me of home, reminds me of very happy memories. It's honestly my happy place. Come on, Faye. What'd she tell you? She's tired of my sad song. That's right. There's just something about it, man. Earlier today, I ended up going to this Instagram event and it was in Malibu, which was very fancy. It was actually at Nobu, even more fancy. And I was like, I have to go to this because Nobu is a very expensive Japanese sushi restaurant. And I probably will never get another opportunity to eat there just because it's so expensive. And to be honest, I've only been to a few events prior to this and they haven't been the greatest. So I didn't think I'd have that good of a time, but I decided to go anyways because free sushi, you know what I'm saying? And it was all you can eat. A dream. And it was good. It was good. But anyways, I didn't really vlog just because I don't really like to vlog those things. It's very cool and I'm so incredibly grateful. It's just that world can be very superficial. They're not things I particularly care too much about. Like to vlog, this event had a lot of people that I really admired and loved. I wasn't expecting to see people that I actually knew because before it's just been like really random people that I didn't really know who they were. But this time around it's like, oh my god, like I know these people. I watch these people's videos. I felt like I was at VidCon. Going into this, honestly, I was a fangirl and I did not give a fuck. I don't know, I was just being myself and I would go up to all these people that I loved and be like, hi, I want to introduce myself, I'm Dustin. I genuinely, like, I would mention things I watched them in and I just didn't care about whether or not, oh, like, try to be cool. And also half the time it doesn't really matter because these people won't remember you anyways, so I was just like, whatever. Surprisingly, mostly everyone I met was very nice and obviously there's like some people who are like not as nice, they're like more standoffish. Anyways, it was very mingly. For some reason, my social skills I feel like were at its top charts and I was killing it. I was literally talking to everybody. I think it's just genuine because I was so excited and I had an adrenaline rush and I was like, I want to fucking say hi to all these people. These are such cool people. And it was my opportunity, so I took it. I genuinely had such a good time at this event. It was honestly shocking. And also I got to bring my friend PJ, so that was very comforting to like have someone there with me. In prior events, either I didn't have +1 or I didn't have anyone that could come with me, so I would just, you know, go solo. I don't let other people slow me down, I'll just go. But I think having a +1 this time around was very nice. And then afterwards we went to the beach, watched the sunset, which was so beautiful. Today was just full of very good moments and good conversation and just a lot of good connections. Literally all my favorite things. So I just felt really happy. I was not on my phone all day. You know it's a good day when you're not on your phone that much. Tomorrow is Head in the Clouds Festival, which I'm going to. So it's so much social interaction and I'm eating it up. I love it. I'm so incredibly grateful just to like have the opportunity to meet these cool new people and be here. Past week in general has been so busy but so fun just because for some reason like all the events lined up this week. I usually never have this busy of weeks. This is what I thought my weeks in LA would be like when I first moved here. Like I thought every week would be like this. This is the first week after a year that has actually been busy and like I feel like I live in LA and like, oh, I'm meeting all these people and it's fun and I'm having a good time. But now like experiencing it, I'm like, oh my gosh, if it was like this every week though, I'd be very exhausted and wouldn't be able to keep up with my work. So maybe it's good that's just like an every now and thing.
say anything that I don't like about you.
Oh.
I'm spamming. It's like this. Damn it.
Thank you, sir. I don't know where to start.
I'm starting.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Vanilla.
Are we singing the outro song right now? Yeah? Okay. Was it something I said? Oh, fuck.